Welcome back to the English Danny channel. I'm Dr. Don, and today I'm going to show you more ways to expand your vocabulary using word families. Remember, a word family is a set of words whose meaning comes from the meaning of one root word. For example, if you know the meaning of help, you can figure out the meaning of words like helper, helpless, helpful, and unhelpful. Today, we're going to look at 3 more common root words. Today's roots are all about time. Let's start with a very easy and common word, day. The day has been a basic unit of time for a long while in English because it is the easiest unit of time to measure. While the sun is up, it's day, and when the sun is not up, it's night. We call one full cycle of sun up and sun down one day. But we also refer to just the time when the sun is up as the day. In fact, that's our first word using this root, daytime. Another word using this root is holiday. Holiday adds the root holy, which can mean sacred or important or set aside for some special reason. Often this word is meant in a religious sense, but it's not always necessarily religious. We add holy to day to get holiday, and it means a special day, a day which is set aside for a specific important purpose. Christmas is my favorite holiday. Another word using this root is yesterday. Yesterday is an ancient word indicating the day before today. I was home all day yesterday. One more word using this root is daydream. By adding dream to day, we get a word that names dreams we have during the day, or rather fantasies or imaginary flights of the mind that we have in the daytime. Daydream can be a noun or a verb. And as a verb, it means to have a daydream. In class, I was daydreaming about my trip this weekend. Now let's look at another root, chrono. Chrono is another word of Greek origin that means time. We usually use this root to make words with medical, technical, or scientific significance. For example, chronic. Chronic is an adjective indicating an illness or a problem that lasts for a long time, or which keeps coming back over and over. I have a chronic cough. Our school suffers from chronic underfunding. Now, a chronometer adds the word meter, and meter means to measure something or a measure. So a chronometer is a fancy word for saying a device that measures time. There's actually a specific kind of mechanical timepiece made in Switzerland, which is officially called a chronometer watch. Now, a chronicle is a historical record written according to the order of events. Tacitus wrote a chronicle of early Roman history. Chronicle can also be a verb, meaning to record events in a factual and detailed way. This work chronicles our attempts to find a cure for this disease. Now, a complex word using this root is synchronous. Here we have the prefix syn, syn, meaning together or at the same time as something. And then the ous ending means having the quality of. So altogether, this makes an adjective, which means something which exists or occurs at the same time. The patient's rapid heartbeat was synchronous with his feelings of anxiety. That means his rapid heartbeat happened at the same time as he felt very anxious. And of course, if we add the prefix a, meaning not, to synchronous, we get asynchronous, which means not occurring at the same time. Our last root word dealing with time is tempo, which means time, speed, or pace. In music, the tempo of a song is the speed at which it is played. The tempo could be fast or slow or moderate. Other words using the TEM root of this word include temporary. Temporary means lasting only for a short time, not permanent. This is only a temporary solution. Another word using this root is contemporary. The prefix con means together with, so contemporary can be an adjective meaning living or occurring at the same time. Or it can also be a noun, meaning a person or thing that exists at the same time as another thing. Bob and I were contemporaries at university. That means we were in university at the same time. This event was noticed by all contemporary writers. This means all writers who lived at the same time noticed the event. Now, one more word using this root is extemporary. This word uses the ex prefix, which in this case means it has the meaning of lacking. So it means lacking time or without time. Extemporary is an adjective meaning something that is said or done without any preparation. If you don't have time to prepare a speech, you might have to make an extemporary speech. Let's chronicle the root words I gave you today. Day, chrono, and tempo. Was the tempo of this lesson too fast or too slow? I hope it was just right. See you in the next video.